just woke up. We'll just chat. It's 8 o'clock. Still with that power. I know we're gonna be back for a while. No, nothing much. It's the same. Storm's over. That's good. I'm gonna get the gator and everything out. Go work. Let's go check the back. That looks like the rest of the storm over there. Doesn't look too bad. All the siding came off the shed. Thing got ripped off. A washing machine and mattress down there. That got blown down there. I see my sister's balls bouncing. All the chairs and stuff are blown. And that looks like the rest of the storm over there. But I think we're in the clear. So that's good.